Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. I'm here at the San Clemente Outlet for the weekly South OC Cars and Coffee. Let's go check it out. This is the Polestar 2, one of the sponsors here at Cars and Coffee, along with the driving school there. All right, let's begin here at the front. This is Simon's Camaro, and right next to it is his son James's Camaro. They're pretty much the same. Both are supercharged, but a little different setup. Simon uses a root style supercharger setup, so you see right there. And James has a synthetic supercharger. So looks like a turbo, but it's really a supercharger. Two ways of making power. Oh, check out the carbon fiber. McLaren 720S, and then we have the cars of Cher, C8 Corvette, and C7 Corvette. .992 turbo, very nice. Black Lamborghini Huracan with blue seats. Interesting contrast. Wow. Blue seats. And there's I think there's a Lamborghini coming up. Yeah, I recognize that noisemaker anywhere. Vintage 930 turbo. This thing is older than me. Ferrari California. Ferrari F12. That's an F430 Spider. And 992. Ferrari Pista,
it has the end plate.
GT3 RS, McLaren GT, yellow GT4, looks quite nice with the black stripes, a Aventador Spider, and a V8 Audi R8. This is the V8 version, not the V12. Now, how can you tell? These flanks here, the V8 one is flush. The V12 one comes out more. And also, I guess if you want, you can look at the engine. You can clearly say it says V8. Aventador Spider. AMG GT. An orange wrap 360. Interesting. All right, and a hybrid Panamera. Yeah, hybrid. This is a top of line Panamera 4-door. Very nice interior in red. Humongous sunroof there. And the little rear that deploys. Yeah. California. And it's Monopoly money. Check out the wrap on this Italia. Nice. GT3 RS, 992 GT3, yellow with gold, great combination here. Ferrari Italia Convertible, 720, another GT3 RS, another Italia, and the newest Ferrari, the F8. This is the last of the V8 Ferrari. After all this, it's going to be V6 hybrid turbos. Now here is a GT4. Well, actually, it's not really a GT4. It's a Cayman that with a body kit. So it's got the wide body kit here in the front. You can see the big wide body fenders in the back and the pièce de résistance. Check out the size of that wing. And also, one more thing. Take a look at the lip on this wheel. Oh, yeah. Pretty nuts. And here's what the stock one looks like. Alright, check out this Volkswagen. I mean, you want to know what like to sit on top of the wheel? There you go, there's the wheel, and you're basically sitting on top of the wheel, and it's like a bus driver setup, complete with the little knobby on the steering wheel, you see, and my favorite, natural air conditioning. Yeah, this thing is so cool. Look at that, Porsche wheels. C8 Corvette meet the C6 Corvette. So these Corvettes are 2 generations apart. The newest one, they moved the engine to the back, so it's a mid-engine. And the old one, this is an OZ06, engine's up front, big 7-liter motor, manual transmission. Yeah, this is pretty raw and pretty wild. This is trying to be a little more sophisticated and refined. So here we have a young driver in a Corvair. Now, what makes a Corvette unique, other than being a convertible and a nice looking car, is the engine. It's in the trunk, it's in the back. So, yeah, you would never expect it when you look at the car, but yeah, the Corvair engine is in the back. Wow, check, Alexis Lc 500 convertible. Yeah, I love these things. Now, not because they're great performers or anything like that, but because, you know, it's unique and it's rare. You don't see yourself coming and going when you have this thing, because they just don't sell that many. But it's beautifully made, you know, Lexus quality, so you expect every panel lines up. Yeah, it's just a nice all-around car, and convertible, you know, perfect for California. Classic hot rod with a giant supercharger, 2 4-barrel carburetors, and check out this exhaust system with the dump pipe. All right, so when you're in quiet mode, it goes here. This gets cut off. It's cut off here, and then it goes in here and goes to the back through the set of mufflers to make it quiet. But you want to be loud, you just open this up, and basically it's straight pipes, and it'll be loud. It'll be bad from causing coffee. Wide body GTR, slammed down to the ground on air rides. Yeah, fast and furious, and check out this Camaro. Notice anything missing? Where are the headlights?
They're in there. That's
Yeah.
the Phantom grill set.
Yeah, where are the headlights on this thing? All right, a lot of people are gathering around this Viper. If you're wondering why, it's because it's for sale. This is a V10 Viper GTS. Toro tires, big V10 8-liter motor, and 1997, only asking $34,000. So that is a bargain, really. $34,000 for this. Yeah, maybe I need to give this guy a call. And here we have the car that changed the world. Yeah. This is a Ford Model T, available in any color you want as long as it's black. Check out the wooden wheels. Yeah. And let's look at the interior here. Look at that hand crank there for the windows. There's a classic lock. Oh, the board of any instrument. I think there's only a fuel gauge in there. And the starter key, yep. That was it. Damn, look at that. And I think this is as far down as the window will go, and I don't think it'll go down any further. Yeah, a spare tire, nice. Yeah, and check out that engine, there you go, the original engine, inline 4-cylinder. There you see the horn right there. Look at that distributor system, not even a cap, and that manifold. Oh my word, the exhaust manifold. I could tell it wasn't made for efficiency, it was just made for packaging. And of course, the hand crank, because there's no electric starter. Bel Air with engine swap. Look at that, supercharged. And I love the cold air introduction setup. So right here, cold air. Right from the grill into the supercharger. And there goes Simon.
Hey, John.
And check out this Buick Regal lowrider. Get a good look at that suspension there. And here we have what possibly is the fastest car at Cars and Coffee. This is the Tesla Model S Plaid. And 1,020 horsepower of electric power. 0 to 60 in 1.99 seconds, quarter mile in 9.2. I'm pretty sure not a single car here is faster than that. Chevrolet 300 pickup and the Ford competition pickup, fully restored in yellow. And then we have one that's on the process of being restored. And then we have none that is fully restored in teal. Nice. And I guess the new Ford. Classic Corvette. And oh, there she is. There she is, yeah.
How are you, sir?
Resting. Yeah, tired today with too much working out? Well, isn't that just ducky? Very interesting C7Z06 here. I see Michelin Cup tires up front. I see a modified supercharger. And while it has Michelin Cup tires up front, you figure it's made for, you know, road track. The back is Toro drag racing radials. So it's made for living life quarter mile at a time. The Audi Superwagon and Aston Martin V8 Vantage. 911 Targa that's just leaving now. Along with a F8 Spider. I see an Audi also leaving, being led by a McLaren. And then here we have a GT3, AMG GT Spider, another GT3, and a Lamborghini Evo Spider. One thing for sure, the Porsches and the Ferrari, when they leave, they don't make a lot of noise, unlike the Lamborghinis. So, check out the Yumi. So this is South OC Cars and Coffee. Happens every Saturday from 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock here at the San Clemente Outlet. If you're a car enthusiast and you'd like to take a walk on Saturday morning to look at hot car and drop a cup of coffee, this is where you need to be. John Shop and johnshop.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.